international educator.
Hello viewer. My subject today is SST Standard 7. My subtopic is Major Latitudes and Longitudes of Africa. Under topic 1, the physical environment. What is a latitude, or what are latitudes? You had learned earlier in Standard 6 and even in Standard 5 that latitudes are imaginary lines that run over the surface of the earth. Latitudes are imaginary lines that run over the earth's surface. They are normally parallel. Latitudes run from west to east. We have major latitudes. I will name them later. What are longitudes? Longitudes are not parallel. Longitudes are lines which meet at the poles. So they run from the North Pole down to the South Pole. So longitudes always meet at the poles. Longitudes are not parallel lines. We have major lines of longitudes in the world. I will show you the major lines of longitudes in the world. The main line of longitude is here. It is called the prime meridian. Another name is Greenwich meridian. This line divides the world into two, east and west. Another major line of longitude is the International Dateline at 180 degrees. This line does not pass over the land. This line passes over the water. Let me take you back to the prime meridian. The prime meridian passes through Africa, and it is 0 degrees. This is where we read our time. We can read 0 degrees west or 0 degrees east. The lines of longitudes are therefore named either degrees west or degrees east. Those are some important lines of longitudes. The International Dateline. Why is it an important line? The International Dateline is an important line because that is where our day begins. It was agreed in a conference, in a Meridian conference in the year 1884, where 26 world leaders met. When they discussed, they agreed that our date must start from the International Dateline. That's why it is an important line of longitude. Now let's go straight to the lines of latitudes. The lines of latitude. I'm now coming to our topic, the lines of latitude in Africa. We have three main lines of latitude. We have the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north. This is the Tropic of Cancer. You are able to see it. It's an imaginary line. Then we have the main line, equator, another line of latitude. The equator is very important in our lives. It divides the world into two hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.